Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to connect bank account in Spendee. So first thing you will have to do is to click on your Spendee app to open it. And now in order to find where you can connect your bank account, you will have to go over here to more, and then you should see bank account and e-wallets. So click on that. Now click on connect account or e-wallet, and here you can connect your account. So search your bank or pick one bank from these ones. So let's say I will pick this one. And now once you have picked the bank, you will go over to this process where Spendee uses Play to connect your account. So you'll have to give a few agreements and some things like that, and basically connect your account this way. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.